Are you tired of juggling multiple apps and devices just to manage your business communications? The phone rings on one device, an email comes in on another, and then a text message shows up on your personal cell phone from a client. It's a chaotic mess, and it's hurting your productivity. What if I told you that you could simplify all of that and even receive SMS on your RingCentral number? I know what you're thinking. A business phone system is for calls, right? Well, in today's world, that's just not enough. Texting isn't just a casual form of communication anymore. It's a vital part of how we do business. From quick confirmations to appointment reminders and even customer support, SMS has become a powerful tool. But if you have to give out your personal cell phone number to clients to use it, you're not really gaining any ground. You're just adding to the mess. That's where RingCentral comes in. It's designed to be a unified communications platform, which means it brings all your communication channels under one roof. So, the short answer to the big question is a resounding yes. You absolutely can receive SMS messages on your RingCentral number. And not just that, you can send them too. This isn't some complex, clunky feature. It's built right into the RingCentral experience, making your professional life a whole lot simpler. So, how does it all work? Let's break it down. RingCentral allows you to use your business phone number, the very same one you use for voice calls, to send and receive text messages. This is a game changer. It means you no longer have to give out your personal number. Your clients see a single, professional number for all your interactions, whether they're calling you or sending a text. This builds a consistent brand image and keeps your personal life separate from your work life, which is a win-win for everyone. The beauty of this is that the SMS functionality is available across all of RingCentral's main applications. Whether you're on the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web browser, you can access your text messages. This means you can be at your desk, on the go, or even working from a coffee shop, and you'll never miss an important message. The conversation history is synced across all your devices, so you can pick up a conversation right where you left off, no matter where you are. But RingCentral's SMS capabilities go beyond just one-on-one texting. You can also send and receive multimedia messages, or MMS. This means you can share images, videos, and other files directly from your business number. Imagine a contractor sending a photo of a completed job to a client, or a real estate agent sharing a quick video tour of a property. These rich, visual communications can be incredibly effective, and they are all managed within the RingCentral platform. RingCentral also supports group messaging. Need to send a quick update to a team of employees or a group of clients? You can do it all from within the app. This feature is perfect for project management, event coordination, or simply keeping a small team in the loop. It's all about making your communication more efficient and centralized. You can even do SMS broadcasts to up to 100 recipients at once, which is a powerful tool for mass notifications. Now, I'm sure some of you are wondering about the nitty-gritty details. What about those annoying spam messages? RingCentral has features to help you manage and block numbers, so you can keep your inbox clean. They've also implemented a character limit for SMS messages, but don't worry, it's a generous one, up to 1,000 characters per message. If you go over that, it's just split into multiple segments, and the app handles it seamlessly. RingCentral even provides a clear overview of your SMS usage, so you can keep track of your messaging limits and costs, which is especially important for businesses with high-volume communication needs. There are, however, a few key things to keep in mind, as with any service. The SMS and MMS features are primarily available for accounts and numbers in the US and Canada. If you need international messaging, you'll need to contact RingCentral support to get it enabled, and it's subject to their review and approval. Also, while you can receive texts from what are called short codes, those 5 or 6-digit numbers often used for promotional messages, you can't send messages to them. This is a small limitation, but it's an important one to be aware of. Another important point, especially for those of you who might want to share a number among a team, is that RingCentral limits SMS access for a single number to one user at a time. While multiple people can make and receive calls on the same number, the texting function is assigned to a specific user extension. This ensures accountability and prevents confusion, but it's a critical detail for team workflows. The bottom line is that RingCentral is a powerhouse for business communication, and SMS is a core part of that. By integrating texting into your existing business number and phone system, it solves a major pain point for businesses of all sizes. It keeps your communications professional, centralized, and organized. You'll save time, reduce confusion, and present a more polished image to your clients. The days of hunting for your personal phone to reply to a client text are over. RingCentral's SMS feature isn't just about convenience. It's about making your business more effective. It allows you to meet your customers where they are, on their mobile devices, while maintaining a professional, secure, and organized communication environment. It's the perfect example of how modern business tools can simplify complex tasks and help you focus on what really matters, your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.